Hello everyone, welcome to my educational YouTube channel. My name is Neha Gupta. My today topic is light, shadow and reflection. Um Class 6 Science Chapter 9 Chapter name is Light, Shadow and Reflection. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका जो चैप्टर नेम है चैप्टर नेम सेम होगा, लेकिन चैप्टर नंबर हर स्कूल के हिसाब से आपका डिफरेंट हो सकता है। लेकिन जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो सबके सेम होंगे, और ये क्लास जो है इंग्लिश टू हिंदी ट्रांसलेट क्लास है। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, let's start my class. What will be the color of a shadow formed in red light? Give a reason. What will be the color of a shadow formed in red light? अगर रेड लाइट है तो जो शेडो का कलर है वो किस कलर का होगा, हमें ये बताना है। एंड गिव अ रीज़न, उसके साथ हमें उसका रीज़न भी बताना है। The shadow formed from red light will be black. This is because a shadow is formed when an epic object blocks light from a light source, so on light reaches the shadow region. Okay dear students, our next question is, how do you see your image in the water of a swimming pool? Answer: we can see our image in a swimming pool because water reflects light, similar to a mirror. The smooth surface of still water reflects light rays uniformly, creating a clear image. Okay, students, our next question is, in which of the following path can a light ray travel? Explain your answer. The light always travel in a straight path, yani line. This is also called as a rectilinear propagation of light. This is because light always takes the shortest path between two points. Explanation. Explanation: light rays travel in a straight line even when they pass through different mediums. Light rays can change direction due to reflection or diffraction. Light rays follow the shortest path between the starting point and the end point. Next question is, evaluate the difference in the way light is reflected by a wall or a mirror and a mirror. Light reflects differently off a wall than it does off a mirror because of the surface texture. A wall reflects light in a diffuse manner, while a mirror reflects light in a regular manner. ये जो डिफ्यूज़ है इसका हिंदी मीनिंग होता है बिखरा हुआ. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, our next question is, all objects cannot be recognized by observing their shadow. Justify: we cannot judge the material's type, size, quality or other physical properties just by looking at the shadow. If the light source is near the object, the shadow will be bigger than the object. If the light source is near, अगर light source near है object के, then the shadow will be bigger than the object. जो shadow है वो object से बड़ी बनती है. There is no way to know about the object only by looking at the shadow. A shadow is formed when an object blocks light from a source. When shadow form, a shadow is formed when an object blocks light from a source. Our next question is, which type of object do not cast a shadow? Why? Transparent object and few translucent object do not cast shadows because light passes through them. Okay dear students, our next question is, can shadow of a astronaut form on the moon? Why? Why not? Yes, an astronaut shadow can form on the moon Because the moon has no atmosphere to block sunlight. Yes, an astronaut's shadow can form on the moon. जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स होती हैं उनकी शेडो जो है मून पे फॉर्म होती हैं बिकॉज द मून हैज़ नो एटमॉस्फेयर टू ब्लॉक सनलाइट. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स. Our next question is suggest a situation where we obtain more than one shadow of an object at a time. We can obtain more than one shadow of an object if light from more than one source falls on it. For example, during a match being played in a stadium, multiple shadows of a player are seen. Very short answers. We depend on light energy for our food. Do you agree? Why? Why not? Yes, humans and other living things depend on light energy for food because plants use light energy to make food through photosynthesis. Okay, dear students. Our next question is you can see the faint glow of a lighted torch through an object but not the object itself. What can you conclude about the object? The object is translucent. आपके पेपर में MCQs क्वेश्चन में ये क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. The object is translucent. Okay. Our next question is what is translucent object? Translucent object allows some light to pass through them but not all. ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो होते हैं पारभासी वस्तु ऐसी ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जो अपने अंदर से पार्शली मतलब सम लाइट को जाने देते हैं और सम लाइट को नहीं जाने देते. आवर एग्जांपल इज बटर पेपर. आप बटर पेपर से एक दिन ट्रायल करके देखिएगा. जो बटर पेपर होता है उसमें से पूरी तरह से लाइट जो है पास थ्रू नहीं होती. कुछ लाइट पास थ्रू हो जाती है और कुछ उसमें से मतलब नहीं जा पाती. ठीक है, पूरी तरह से नहीं जा पाती लाइट. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स. Our next question is when does a solar eclipse occur? On a new moon day or a full moon day? A solar eclipse occurs during a new moon when the moon passes between the earth and the sun. A solar eclipse occurs when a new moon when the moon passes between the earth and the sun. Our next question is application based questions. You are trying to take a photo of a beautiful landscape with your camera. Would the photo be clears if you uses a flash or if you uses natural sunlight? Answer. For a landscape photo, using natural sunlight will almost always produce a clear image compared to using a flash, as natural light provides better depth and color while a flash can often create harsh shadow and unnatural lighting in a white scene, making the photo appear flat.